Hello all. So today we have some important questions from chapter 1 which will be done in a quick way. So let us see. First is nutrition in amoeba is heterotrophic. It is holozoic nutrition and the process is endocytosis. Then what is the importance of HCl? HCl is an antiseptic. Also it provides acidic environment for action of enzymes, gastric enzymes. Then what is the equation for photosynthesis? It is 6CO2 plus 12H2O in the presence of light and chlorophyll, giving rise to C6H12O6, which is glucose plus oxygen and water. Then next is what are the differences between autotrophs and heterotrophs. So in this you can follow a trick wherein you can know the points about autotrophs and you can write the opposite to that in the heterotrophs. So let us see the points related to autotrophs. So these can prepare their own food, okay, and they are divided into phototrophs and chemotrophs, okay, and then they do not have digestion. There is no digestion process. They use sunlight as a source of energy. Examples are plants and algae. So on the opposite side, you will write that they depend on others. They are parasites and saprophytes, heterotrophs. There is a process of digestion. They use the food as a source of energy, and examples as animals. So like this, you can finish off. Next we have is the functions of stomata, which is very important. Transpiration and gaseous exchange are the two important functions. Then why is small intestine longer in herbivores? Because they eat plant material which will contain cellulose, which takes longer time for digestion. So their long intestine will facilitate for better digestion in the case of herbivores. Then next we have is what is the role of bile juice in digestion. So bile juice helps in emulsification of the fats. Then what are the events in photosynthesis? Okay, so there is absorption of light by chlorophyll molecule, excitation of the chlorophyll molecule, photolysis of water, and carbon dioxide will be reduced to carbohydrate. So these are the events which will be called as light reaction and dark reaction. For more information, you can refer to the YouTube video. Okay. Then what are the end products of photosynthesis? Glucose, oxygen, and water. Role of saliva in digestion. So 30% of carbohydrate digestion would be actually completed in the mouth with the help of saliva. And you can also expect one more question. What are the assimilatory products of light reaction in photosynthesis, which are ATP and NADPH? Okay, which are ATP and NADPH. These are called the assimilatory power. Okay, assimilatory power of the light reaction. Okay, they are called the assimilatory power. Okay, so hope you have a quick revision of the topic once again. So like this, you can just note down the answers in a simple way and you can later elaborate. Thank you.